Filtration bacteria purify the aquarium water. They remove toxic fish waste in a biological way. Purification bacteria need a medium on and which they can settle and multiply to perform their task. Thereby they form a thin film called biofilms. For an optimal settlement of the purification bacteria, a filter medium needs a particular surface and structure. The larger the surface, the smaller are the individual pores. From a surface area of approximately 450 square meters per liter, the pores are too small and the bacteria will not be able to settle. A research study has proven that 270 square meters per liter is the optimal settling area. This is equal to the surface area of Sera Siporax. Sera Siporax is made of a mixture of glass powder and salt crystal with an exactly defined size. The mixture is pressed in a ring shape and sintered at 780 degrees Celsius or 1436 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it's fired. The salt crystals are placeholders for the pores and are washed out after firing. That means the size of the pores can be exactly aligned to an optimal biofilm settling of the bacteria. There are two other criteria that indicate the quality of a biological filter media. High porosity due to an open pore structure and the 3D network of the pore connections. An open pore structure is the basis for the settlement and growth of bacteria films. This is easy to test by closing one end of the ring and blowing through the other. You can feel the airstream through the cross-linked open pore structure of Sera Siporax. In contrast, ceramic rings have closed pores. There will be no air passing through the wall. These are several microscope images of different filter media. It is easy to identify the open pore structure of Sera Siporax. You can also see the ceramic in fact has many pores, but none of them is connected to each other. Spheric filter media have very fine pores and they have one major disadvantage. They do not allow a perfusion of water. Therefore, their inner zones cannot be settled. Furthermore, the pores are too small. This can be shown by testing the absorption. The interconnected pore structure of Siporax absorbs the liquid much faster than the ceramic. However, this does not yet allow a statement on the size of the pores. The combination of high porosity and interconnection is the main reason for the high effective filter performance of Sera Siporax. This can be proven with some further tests. We will now put the three filter media in highly viscous liquid with red pigments in the size of bacteria. Only in case of Siporax, the pigments reach the inner pore structure of the ring. Finally, we use swimming live-colored microorganisms. With a current of water, they reach the interconnected pores and immediately pass through the wall of the Siporax ring. This also shows that only Siporax allows the microbes to reach the inner pore structure. The filter ceramic and filter balls are only settled on the surface. Due to the permanent flow of water through the ring wall of Siporax, the bacteria receive their supply of nutrients and oxygen. The latter is depleted deep inside the wall. This is where the bacteria get the oxygen from the nitrate and biologically remove the nitrate. This process is called denitrification. This is a particular feature of Sera Siporax, as researchers of the University of Sydney have proven that Sera Siporax also breaks down nitrates even if the flowing water is rich in oxygen. The biofilms, those thin layers of bacteria, grow and shrink depending on the supply of food, which is the water pollution due to the fish waste. Another particular feature of Sera Siporax is the ability to clean itself. The biofilms break down dead bacteria without any remainders. Deposits of sludge can cover the pore entrances and obstruct the water to flow in. An effective pre-filtration, like the one in the SeraFil bioactive external filter, prevents this problem. Sera Siporax allows you to maintain an ideal biological filtration and create healthy condition in the aquarium. It reduces your maintenance efforts and gives you more time for watching the interesting behavior of the healthy and lively fish and to enjoy the colorful life in the aquarium. For more information on Sera Siporax, please visit our website sera.de. And of course, you can find the product in your local pet and aquarium store.